So the Lenovo tablet is currently powered off, and I do have myself a SIM extractor tool here. And the SD slot here is at the top right. Go ahead, take the SIM extractor tool here, just gently push down to gently pry this open, and then we could remove the tray right here. Now let's go ahead and get our SD card here and fit it in. So once you have the tray here, just go ahead and follow the instructions here. It says face the screen, and then we just have to go ahead and take the SD card here, gently line it up to the opening. And this should just slide right in gently, which it has. Now let's go ahead and just flip this back around, and then we should be able to slide this back into the slot here. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and power on the Lenovo tablet here. And let's just check to make sure we can detect the SD card. Now the tablet has powered on here, and if you look closely in the top left next to the time, you'll see what looks like an SD card here. If I just take my finger from the middle portion here and slide down, you do see that it has detected the SD card, which is good. Now let's go ahead and check the files. And now we're currently back in the files here. We see that this is the internal storage for the Lenovo tablet, and we did detect the SD card, which is a 64 gigabyte card here, where you have 62 gigabytes free. So it has detected the SD card, and that's how you easily can insert it here into the Lenovo Idea Tab 11.